Wealth grows through strategy, not luck.
How to build wealth if you start from zero. Welcome back to Future Capital, where we decode money, jobs, and investing in the AI economy. Many people feel stuck, thinking, I do not have money, I do not have skills, I do not have time, I cannot build wealth. Here is the truth, you can start from zero. And today, I will show you exactly how. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, step-by-step path to building wealth. No matter where you start, wealth grows through strategy, not luck. Time is your advantage through compound growth, skill development, and AI leverage. Small actions create big results, and AI allows anyone to multiply their effort. Example, someone invests $50 per month in AI-focused investments and skills. After 10 years, they build over $15,000 plus additional income. Now, let's start with step 1. Build your income foundation. Even starting from zero, you need basic income, a job, or a small gig. For cash flow, use AI tools to increase your productivity, build credibility, and real experience. Example, freelance using AI writing tools, or start a small marketing service. For local businesses, according to OECD, diversifying income reduces financial risk by 30 to 50%. Now, step 2, learn high-income skills. Focus on skills that pay now and scale later. AI tools and prompt engineering, digital marketing, combined with AI, data analysis, and financial literacy. Example, learn AI content creation, start freelancing, earn between $200 and $500 per month. Combine that income with small investments for long-term growth. Step 3, automate and scale. Use AI to multiply your output, automate repetitive tasks, scale your freelance work, create digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses. Example, you create 5 AI-generated ebooks, sell each for $20. That is $100 per month. Reinvest your earnings and grow to $500 per month within 1 year. Step 4, start investing early. Even small amounts grow over time. You can invest in ETFs, AI-focused stocks, and index funds. Start with $50 to $100 per month. Example, $50 per month over 10 years can grow to over $8,000 with moderate growth. Combine this with your AI side income, and your total wealth grows faster. Now, step 5, combine everything. This is the real formula: income to support your life, skills to increase your value, side income to multiply earnings, and investments to make your money work for you. Year 1, learn AI and earn $500 per month. Year 2, start investing $50 to $100 per month. Year 5, you have multiple income streams, and real financial growth begins. Starting from zero is not a weakness, it is an advantage. You have time, you can learn fast, and you can use AI to multiply your effort. Follow these steps. Build your income foundation, learn high-income skills, automate and scale with AI, invest consistently, and compound everything. This is Future Capital, where we prepare you not just to survive, but to grow wealth from zero to financial freedom in the AI economy. Subscribe and start building your future today, no matter where you start.